2025, the definition of luxury on wheels has been shattered and reimagined. Because what we're about to step into isn't just a motorhome. It's a jaw-dropping fusion of technology, opulence, and sheer engineering madness. This is not your average RV. This is the top one insane motorhome in the world. And everything about it screams excess, intelligence, and futuristic power. From the moment it rolls into view, its presence dominates the road. The body is sculpted like a luxury yacht, fused with the aggression of a stealth bomber. An aerodynamic marvel finished in ultra-gloss, ceramic-coated titanium white, with mirror-polished chrome accents that reflect every spotlight in its path. Tires? Monumental, custom-forged, oversized all-terrain beasts, wrapped around 26-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, each one embedded with real, carbon fiber inlays. And yes, they glow. Subtly illuminated wheel arches give it a sci-fi touch, especially when this monster glides silently into any location with its whisper-quiet electric hybrid propulsion system. Step inside, and reality collapses. You're no longer in a vehicle. You're in a floating penthouse suite. A press of a fingerprint-activated handle opens butterfly doors, revealing a crystal staircase leading into the main lounge. The flooring? Heated, matte-finished Italian marble. The walls? Acoustic-treated suede layered with 8K curved OLED display panels that adapt based on the mood you select. Sunset mode, Arctic glow, or even a live ocean feed. Above, a retractable skylight made entirely of electrochromic glass. Adjusts transparency based on daylight or privacy. The driver's cockpit is something straight out of a concept spacecraft. A yoke-style steering module, full AI-assisted autopilot, retinal-scan ignition, and a curved panoramic HUD that overlays real-time terrain, weather data, and security analytics. Every seat inside is diamond-stitched Napa leather with memory foam, ventilation, massage functions, and biometric health monitors. Need to nap? The rear suite deploys into a full king-size memory cloud bed with ambient lighting, fragrance diffusion, and sleep-synced soundscapes. The kitchen isn't just a kitchen. It's a Michelin star-grade culinary zone with a retractable induction island, robotic cooking arms, and a refrigerated wine wall. The bathroom? A full wet spa with Japanese smart glass walls, steam settings, aromatherapy, and an automatic clothing sanitizer system. And then, the real insanity begins. Press a hidden button in the lounge, and a side panel of the motorhome detaches into a fold-out luxury deck, complete with a plunge pool, retractable sunroof, and drone pad.